Dear students, today we will discuss something about Bretton Woods Agreement. The Bretton Woods system established in a new monetary order. The name comes from the location of the meeting where the agreement were drawn up. Bretton Woods, New Hampshire. This meeting took place in July 1944. The Bretton Woods system was an attempt to avoid worldwide economic disasters such as the Great Depression that began in 1929 and that continued for about 10 years. The purpose of the Bretton Woods meeting was to set up a new system of rules, regulations, and procedures for the major economies of the world to ensure their economic stability. To do this, Bretton Woods established International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, and the World Bank, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Now, let us discuss something about IMF's primary aim. The International Monetary Fund's primary aim was to foster global monetary cooperation. Second one is achieve greater financial stability. Third one is facilitate international trade. Fourth one is reduce unemployment and poverty, promote sustainable economic growth. And the World Bank has similar mission, concentrating its effort on first one is eliminating extreme poverty, promoting means of sharing prosperity. So this is about different aims of International Monetary Fund and World Bank. Now let us discuss something about background of Bretton Woods system. Bretton Woods and the gold standard. Bretton Woods also established the US dollar as the world's reserve currency from 1944 until 1971. All major currencies were pegged to the dollar, while the dollar itself was pegged to gold, a relationship popularly known as the gold standard. Alarmed by the outflows of gold from the US, Richard Nixon abandoned gold standard in 1971. From that year forward, the world's currencies were all floating, with no one currency having fixed value, a circumstance that led to the establishment of foreign exchange market, the forex. Why was the United States dollar chosen? The United States at the time was the only nation with its currency backed by gold. What is more, during that period, it held three quarter of the entire world's monetary gold. Due to the gold transferred to the United States by European countries during the World War, this left the dollar as the most powerful currency compared to every other currency. Now let us discuss something about various objectives of Bretton Woods Conference. The Bretton Woods Agreement was made to create an international framework which had many objectives. Below are the things that were meant to be achieved by Bretton Woods Agreement. First one is stable and flexible currency system. Uh, this objective was necessity of that day. And second one is international reserve asset apart from Gold. This is another important objective of this Bretton Woods system. Third one is creation of national institutions for individual national development project. I mean, this Bretton Woods conference created two important institutions. First one is International Monetary Fund, and second one is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, popularly known as World Bank. Fourth one is foreign exchange intervention. The central banks of the member countries, apart from the US, had the responsibility of maintaining fixed exchange rates between dollar and their currencies. Fifth objective, that is elimination of foreign exchange restrictions. This agreement also sought to eliminate any form of foreign exchange restrictions and also the creation of a new efficient system of payments for multilateral trade transactions among the member countries. And sixth one is avoidance of trade war. Another objective of agreement was the avoidance of any form of a trade war. The world had just finished a war that left every nation drained, and starting a trade war would further increase global hardship. So this is about various objectives of Bretton Woods system. Now let us discuss something about achievements of this system. The Bretton Woods agreement was a financial agreement, and such financial institutions needed to be created in order to effectively implement the content of the agreement. With this in mind, two financial institutions, the International Monetary Fund and World Bank, were created. The Bretton Woods system included 44 countries. These countries were brought together to help regulate